Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to invert colors in Canva so you can create some really cool visual effects for your designs, social media posts, or just for fun. If you've ever wanted to flip the colors on an image and give it a totally unique, eye-catching look, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know step by step how to do this in Canva, and you'll pick up a few handy tips along the way. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to Canva. You can do this by opening a new tab in your browser and going to canva.com. If you're already logged in, great. If not, just quickly sign in. It only takes a second. Think of Canva as your digital art studio. It's where all the magic is going to happen today. Once you're in, look for the big Create a Design button. It's usually found towards the top right of your screen. Give that a click. Now, instead of picking something from the usual templates, we're going to select Custom Size. This is important, especially if you want full control over the dimensions of your image. For this tutorial, let's set the custom size to 300 by 300 pixels. This is a nice square format that works well for experimenting and makes it easy to see the effect we'll create. Just type in 300 for both width and height and hit the Create New Design button. Don't worry if you're thinking, can I use other sizes? Absolutely, but for learning purposes, keeping it simple is a good way to start. Alright, you've got your blank canvas open, so the next step is to add the image you want to work with. Click on the Uploads tab in the left sidebar and either select an image you've already uploaded or click Upload Files to bring a new one in from your computer. Once your photo appears in your uploads, just drag it onto your canvas. You can resize or reposition it however you like. Make sure it fills the space just the way you want. This step is where you can get creative. Maybe it's a selfie, a scenic shot, or even some cool artwork, whatever makes you excited to experiment. Now, once your image is in place, click on it to bring up the image editing options at the top of your screen. You'll see choices pop up like Edit Photo or maybe a little filter icon depending on your version. Go ahead and click Edit Photo. This is where you can really start to play with how your image looks. Inside the editing menu, scroll down until you spot the Invert or Invert Colors option. In Canva, it's often grouped with other advanced effects. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, sometimes you might need to look under Effects or search for Invert in the search bar at the top of the editing panel. Take your time here. It's a bit like flipping through a digital toolbox to find just the right tool. When you find the Invert option, click it, and you'll see the magic happen instantly. Your image's colors will be completely swapped. Blacks will turn to white, blues might become orange, and everything shifts in an almost psychedelic way. This effect really makes certain designs pop, and it's a fantastic trick if you want your content to stand out on social media or if you just want to experiment with a new look. Don't worry if the result is exactly what you envisioned at first. You can always undo or try a different photo. And that's it. Once you're happy with how your inverted image looks, you can download it or keep editing with more effects and text. Pretty simple, right? Thanks so much for following along with me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there's another Canva trick you'd love to learn. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy creative design tutorials. See you next time.